2, and 335 on the pull-ups. Let's go. What's up, y'all? I just woke up. Still a little sore from yesterday, a little tired, but got some plans today. Hope everybody's doing all right, man. We're going to be doing some calisthenic works, man. I'm talking probably some pull-ups, a couple dips, and of course some push-ups. And it's going to be a good day. It's going to be a great day, man. It's going to be a good one, guys. Y'all stay tuned. Tune in. Let's go to the park, y'all. Let's get this work. All right. We made it. We'll get started, man. Let's get to it. Let's go. Been a while. It's been a while. Stretch out anything like that. Should have stretched out. Just gonna move my hands around like this and hopefully that gets us warmed up. Let's get 10. That's 5 right there in the bank. Here we go. Ten, 10. Whew. Take your time with it. Ain't no rush really. Make sure you get a good squeeze. Let's go. $50. Feeling it in the shoulders, feeling it in the arms, got a good feel in the fingers. Actually, feeling really good in the fingers. 15 on the pulls. Let's go, baby. 15 on the dips. Here we go. Let's see. Woo! Sir, man, that's a good wake up right there. If you like me, and it's been a long time since you've done parallel pull-ups, get you some wrist wraps like this, because you really want to try to protect those ankles. I mean, not those ankles, I'm sorry, those wrists. when you're doing pull-ups. That's what's going on right now. Those wrists are a little bit sensitive. That's okay. These wrist reps help. Let's go for 20. Take your time, baby. I got dimes on deck. I got pennies on deck. My bad. 1, 2, 3. 2 more. 2 more. 4, 5, 20. Woo. 20. 20 in. Let's go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 20. 20. Trying to keep count. It's gorgeous day, man. Sun's out. It's not too cold. It's not too hot. And the weather is just right. Got a small breeze coming through. It's not blowing too bad. It's comfortable. Let's get 25. Here we go. Come on. It's okay to drop. It's okay to drop, man. It's okay to drop. 25. You got to get them all in one. It's okay to drop. Break them down in pennies. One at a time. Still good money, guys. Still good money. Hit these dips. Let's go this way. $25. Nice little set. You get 25 in. 10 more be 35. Let's do a nice little 35 piece. And we'll call it even. We'll call it even, guys. Let's go. $30. 30 in the bag. 30 in the bag. 30 in the bag. On the pull-ups anyway. Let's get 30 in the bag on the dips. So when you're going for these dips, pull-ups, push-ups, any basic form of calisthenics, and you want to get some reps in, and you just want to do light reps, I say at least push yourself to do what, over 15, 20, maybe 25 at least. 25 reps. That's pretty standard. It's pretty good. At least 20, 25 reps. Let's go, baby. Last set. Do 2 this way, 3 the other way. 1, 2, switch it. 1, 2, 3, 35 on the pull-ups. Let's go. Let's get 35 on the dips. Take your time. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one. Down. Up. Let's go. Woo. Okay, guys, so we just banged out 35 pull-ups. We just banged out 35 dips. Just a nice little cup of coffee. That's all. Nothing too serious. Sometimes simple is better. Simple is better. This is something you can do any day of the week. Anytime you got like less than an hour, you just can't make it to the gym, you need to do something to build some muscle real quick. Break out a couple pull-ups, break out a couple dips, you know, maybe even some push-ups. But appreciate y'all time. Hey, be sure to like and subscribe to the video, the channel. This is Mountain Tough. Appreciate you guys. Feel free to join my members channel. Got a lot going on with that. And check out the merch. Appreciate you guys. Y'all have a great evening. Let's go. See you on the next video.